Once again, your host Muhammad Tariq Hussain is here. Right now, I'm going to share a very important video to all of you. In this video, aircraft producers do testing of aircrafts from every side, and thereafter, when they satisfy that aircraft is okay from every side, they dispose their aircrafts in market. So I hope that videos shall be very much interesting to you. And for viewing further details about this video, you can click on the link given below. Okay, thank you. I'm going to share this video.
A wide range of aircraft testing methods. Performing a maneuver is that this 747 aircraft takeoff due to some concern over performance or safety. In this case, the pilot slams on the plane's brakes while traveling over 200 miles per hour. To further increase the value of the test, this 747-8 has been loaded to the max. The result of the maneuver is that the wheels are now the initial design and engineering directed properly, like Airbus places at multiple points in to create various speed conditions around them.